What happened? Oh my god.
See? It was a diversion running up with a nade. Easy. I know what I'm doing.
You did not know there was anybody up there. Stop fucking lying.
Oh my
So
god.
right, don't have to believe me. I'm just that good at the...
Okay, is everyone dead? Yeah, they should be dead. They should be dead.
I'm
I mean,
alive.
it's me. What the fuck? Oh my god.
Wait, he was actually dead.
Yeah, this guy was scared.
Killed both, I think.
What?
Yeah, you killed both of them.
What?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got him with a nade.
Oh, nice.
MXN queued one.
What the fuck? Alright.
This guy.
I clipped it. You need... Oh my, you need to see this. It's so funny. What the fuck? Ash 12?
Yeah.
Well, I take
Level
it.
10.
Yeah, the other guy was level 16.
I wonder how I was going to explain that moment to his friend. I actually don't know what happened.
Clipping that shit.
Jesus. Well, thank God I brought nades. Dude, he looked at me, he was like, what the fuck? Oh man.
Are you my friend?
Yeah. Yeah. How many were they? 3?
Okay. Two guys.
Only 2 guys, okay.
What the fuck? That's so... Fucking clown moment, dude. What the hell?
Yeah.
Should have brought some adrenaline shots as well.
Yeah, maybe we should. Who's running towards secret?
Me.
Yeah.
There's an M4 outside.
Someone is running?
Yeah, it's me.
Okay.
The M4 outside gives me flashbacks to the hacker.
Yeah. That was funny. What ammo did he have? And you. No, the HK guy. Oh god, I'm blind. What the fuck is going on with the scats?
I don't know.
They're angry.
Yeah, they are.
What the hell?
Where is he? What the fuck is
He's in
he?
Viking.
Wait, are you guys downstairs?
No, we're above. We're in the middle. Dude, what the fuck's wrong with this scat? Is he mad? What the hell? How's he alive?
He doesn't die, what the fuck?
What the? How's that? There's the one behind! Ah, no ammo! I have no ammo left.
Push it.
What the fuck is going on?